What are you doing? Why don't you go see? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. We got a lot of snow. This is the big winter blast or blizzard of 2011. And holy cow, we did nothing but clear snow this morning. And now it's time to enjoy and take some pictures of the guys. Woo! There's Ramsey. You like that snow? Yeah, good puppy. Let's go, come on. Let's go, come on. Oh my God, having a blast. And then in the little penned area right now is Kyla and Pebbles and Hugo. Yeah, Ramsey. There's Hugie. There's my Hugo. Yeah. And there's my Kyla and there's my Pebbles. Oh, and that was Ramsey's nose. I hope he didn't get it on the lens. Great. You guys are so darn cute. Yes, you are.